Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting an update now. Skip long prep. First, plug in power and confirm battery is above 50% so the process won't abort. Next, back up essential files to an external drive or cloud. Updates can fail and you want a fallback. Once backed up, open Settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. This initiates downloads immediately. Make sure you have about 10 to 20 GB free. If not, remove large apps or temporary files, and then continue. Once Windows finds updates, let downloads begin and monitor their progress. If optional updates appear, expand that list and install drivers for chipset, graphics, and network first because they affect stability. You can skip less critical firmware. While installing, avoid heavy CPU tasks. This prevents conflicts. If a download stalls or errors appear, run the Windows Update troubleshooter from Settings. It automatically attempts fixes. Make sure to schedule restarts when you won't lose work, or use the restart options to pick a convenient time. After installation completes, restart and allow the machine to finalize updates. Do not power off mid-finalize. Once back, check Settings, System, about to confirm the new build and version. This verifies success. Remove temporary installation files to reclaim space and create a new restore point now that the system is stable. If something goes wrong, drivers missing, or boot issues, roll back updates via recovery or run the Windows Update Assistant to repair. This single troubleshooting step resolves most post-update faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.